Today's recipe is oil-free Jowar Onion Roti and Vegan Cucumber Raita. We'll first see how to make this raita. Here I've taken cucumber, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, green chili, ginger, garlic, coriander leaves, mint leaves and peanut curds. This curd is made using peanut milk. The recipe link for peanut curds is given in the description box below and also in the I button at the top right hand corner of this video. To make the raita, we first need to make a green masala paste. So into the mixer jar, I'm adding 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1/4 cup of mint leaves, 1 green chili, 2 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, half a teaspoon coriander seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Blend this to make a coarse paste. Keep this aside for the time being. Now cut the ends of the cucumber. Cucumbers often have a bitter taste. Rubbing the sliced end against the cucumber releases a white foamy substance. Keep rubbing until it stops producing this foam. This helps in getting rid of the bitter taste. Once done, wash the cucumber and then grate it. This is 1 cup of grated cucumber. In a mixing bowl, add the grated cucumber. Add the masala paste which we prepared earlier. Add salt as per taste and give it a quick mix. Now add 3/4 cup of whisked peanut curds. Mix it well. Our raita is ready to be served. We'll transfer it to a serving bowl. Garnish it with mint leaves. Keep this aside. To make the jowar roti, here I've taken 1 cup of jowar atta. I've added 1 large onion chopped. Salt as per taste. Mix everything well. You can also add some chopped coriander leaves. Now add hot water gradually and knead to make a smooth, soft dough. You should knead at least for 5 to 7 minutes to get a super smooth and soft dough. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll to make roti. Place the roti on a hot tawa. Cook on both sides. Serve jowar onion rotis with the vegan raita. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And also please share this video with your friends and relatives. Thank you.